This is the best herb for joint pain. The importance of natural remedies for joint pain. Joint pain is a widespread issue that not only causes physical discomfort, but also significantly impacts quality of life. Particularly common in older adults or individuals with chronic conditions like arthritis or osteoarthritis, joint pain often leads to mobility limitations. Many people seek natural alternatives to conventional medications to alleviate pain and improve mobility. In this chapter, we explore the benefits of medicinal plants that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. One of the most renowned plants with pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties is ginger. This root contains gingerols, active compounds proven to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Studies show that ginger can alleviate symptoms of arthritis and muscle tension without the side effects of conventional painkillers. Ginger is easy to incorporate into daily life, especially as tea or a fresh addition to meals. Rosemary is another powerful plant used both in cooking and medicine. Its essential oils, such as borneol and cineole, promote blood circulation and have relaxing properties that can reduce pain in joints and muscles. Massaging with rosemary oil is an effective way to improve mobility while also nourishing the skin. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants that can slow joint degeneration. Another remarkable remedy is boswellia, also known as Indian frankincense. The boswellic acids in this plant possess strong anti-inflammatory properties, making them particularly effective for arthritis and other degenerative joint conditions. Studies have shown that boswellia not only reduces pain sensitivity, but also improves mobility by inhibiting inflammatory processes in the joints. Natural remedies like these provide a gentle and effective alternative to conventional medications by supporting the body in a natural way. They not only relieve pain, but also promote overall joint health. Regular use of these plants, whether as teas, oils, or supplements, can make a significant difference for those suffering from joint pain. It's worth integrating this age-old wisdom into modern daily life. Powerful medicinal plants for joints. Medicinal plants are valuable allies in alleviating pain and promoting joint mobility. One of the most well-known is boswellia, or Indian frankincense. This plant contains boswellic acids with anti-inflammatory properties, particularly beneficial for arthritis and osteoarthritis. Studies have shown that boswellia reduces both the intensity and frequency of joint pain while improving mobility. Its effectiveness lies in its ability to inhibit inflammatory processes without the side effects of synthetic drugs. Another potent remedy is white willow bark, sauce blanco. This plant contains salicin, a natural precursor to aspirin, and has been known for centuries for its pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. Salicin helps reduce inflammation and improve joint function, especially in cases of rheumatic conditions. Consuming tea or capsules made from white willow bark can be an effective natural alternative to chemical painkillers. Turmeric, a bright yellow root, is another powerful remedy for joint issues. Its main active compound, curcumin, is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies confirm that regular intake of curcumin can alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Turmeric can be used as a spice, in teas, or as a supplement, offering a safe and effective way to combat inflammation. Cat's claw, uña de gato, is another medicinal plant widely used in traditional South American medicine. It contains alkaloids that reduce inflammation and support immune function. Studies show that cat's claw can help treat arthritis by reducing inflammation and relieving pain. It can be consumed as tea, capsules, or tinctures, making it particularly effective for chronic joint conditions. In summary, plants like boswellia, white willow bark, turmeric, and cat's claw provide powerful and natural solutions for treating joint pain. They not only alleviate pain and inflammation, but also improve overall joint health. These medicinal plants have stood the test of time and offer a gentle yet effective alternative to conventional medications. Anti-inflammatory properties of super herbs. Inflammation is often the root cause of joint pain and mobility issues. Plants with anti-inflammatory properties can play a crucial role in addressing these problems. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is one of the most effective natural substances against inflammation. Curcumin inhibits the activity of molecules that promote inflammatory processes in the body, such as cytokines. Studies show that turmeric not only reduces inflammation, but also improves blood circulation, aiding the healing process. Its versatility, whether as tea, in dishes, or in supplements, makes it a popular remedy. Nettle, or tiga, is another plant with impressive anti-inflammatory properties. It is rich in flavonoids, polyphenols, and minerals like magnesium, which help alleviate joint pain. Nettle leaves also have diuretic properties, which help drain excess fluid from inflamed joints. This can reduce swelling and improve mobility. Nettle can be consumed as tea, extracts, or even fresh herbs. White willow bark, rich in salicin, has a long history of treating inflammation-related pain. Salicin is converted into salicylic acid in the body, which shares similar properties to aspirin. This compound reduces inflammation and alleviates pain without the side effects of synthetic drugs. A tea made from white willow bark or its capsules is a simple way to reap the benefits of this plant. Another notable super herb is rosemary, which contains anti-inflammatory compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid. These substances block enzymes that promote inflammation and protect joints from oxidative stress. Rosemary oil can be applied externally to sore areas, or the plant can be used as a seasoning in daily meals. Its versatility and efficacy make rosemary an indispensable medicinal plant. In summary, herbs like turmeric, nettle, white willow bark, and rosemary are true superstars of nature. Their anti-inflammatory properties directly address the root causes of joint pain, promote healing, and improve quality of life. Their versatile applications and natural origins make them a safe and effective alternative to conventional pain relievers. Tips and tricks for a pain-free life. In addition to using medicinal plants, targeted habits can significantly improve joint health. Regular physical activity, such as yoga, Pilates, or Tai Chi, is essential for keeping joints flexible and resilient. These activities improve circulation, strengthen muscles around the joints, and enhance posture. At the same time, movement helps loosen stiff joints and alleviate pain without overburdening them. It's important to listen to your body's needs and avoid excessive strain. A proven home remedy is the use of cold and heat therapy to specifically relieve swelling and pain. Cold applied through ice packs or chilled gel pads helps reduce swelling and calm nerve activity. Heat, in the form of heating pads or warm compresses, relaxes muscles and improves circulation. A combination of these treatments, depending on the need, can sustainably alleviate joint discomfort and promote healing. A balanced diet also plays a central role in preventing and alleviating joint pain. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory nutrients, such as fatty fish, nuts, berries, and leafy greens, support joint health. At the same time, reducing inflammatory foods like sugar, trans fats, and highly processed items is beneficial. A mindful diet helps not only the joints, but also overall well-being. Maintaining a healthy weight and managing stress are additional critical factors for pain-free joints. Excess weight puts stress on joints, especially the knees and hips, increasing wear and tear. Achieving a healthy weight can significantly reduce or even prevent discomfort. Stress management techniques like meditation or breathing exercises can further help alleviate chronic pain, as stress can exacerbate inflammatory processes in the body. Combining physical and mental health is the key to an active and pain-free life. A pain-free life starts with small, conscious decisions. Combining medicinal plants, targeted movements, a balanced diet, and mindful stress management can significantly improve quality of life. By integrating these tips and tricks into daily routines, we not only strengthen our joints, but also enhance our overall well-being. Remember, with the right combination of medicinal plants, exercise, and healthy habits, you can strengthen your joints and reduce pain. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell to ensure you don't miss new tips on health and natural remedies. Share this video with your friends. Stay healthy. See you soon.